Victoria Lane in Wooddale. This is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath home priced at $275,000. My helpful cameraman's going to give you a little bit of an outside view, and then we're going to go inside.
It's got a 2.5 car detached garage, and it's right across from Bensen Park. Nice open area, beautiful sunsets here. And in we go.
Okay, so some things I can tell you about this house. It has a lot of updates that have been done since around 2015. We don't have the exact dates of everything, but we have a general idea. We've got a newer furnace and air conditioner. The electrical panel has been updated. Roof, siding, and windows. So this is move-in ready. Everything is ready to go. And like I said, very updated. Beautiful hardwood floors. This is your front living room area with a beautiful view of Bensen Park. And then we're going into my favorite part of this home is this amazing kitchen. Look at this big, beautiful island. It has pull-out trash, and it's a big enough trash pull-out for your recycling and your regular trash, with 4 drawers on this side, tons of drawers across the front here. We have a Bosch dishwasher, a very nice big Lazy Susan here. And then we've got Kenmore and Maytag appliances. This is a huge kitchen. It's perfect if you either like to entertain or when you can get back to having that nice big Thanksgiving or Christmas Day dinner for your family and friends. You've got plenty of room to be able to expand the table. Ray's giving you a little bit of a view of the back patio right now. Nice private little yard.
And there's a storage shed as well.
Nice lighting. There's can lights here and the directional lighting above. And then we will go down to the hallway and show you the bedrooms. This also has an unfinished basement, a huge unfinished basement, and the washer and dryer are included. Here's your hall bathroom with a updated vanity. The mirror and the light fixture are real nice. Nice tub surround is in very good condition. And then the first of your bedrooms here is in the front of the house, and it also has a view of the park. Nice hardwood flooring still continuing through. You have a linen closet here at the back of the hallway. And then the second bedroom, you can see the view of the park here. And next we'll come on back to the master bedroom. And you can see that the master bedroom has a huge bed and a side dresser and a nightstand, plus a full dresser on the other wall. So this is a pretty good size master. Again, the hardwood floors are really beautiful. And it also has its own private half bathroom, which has been updated and has the same beautiful cabinets that you see in the kitchen. And now if you follow me, I'm going to show you the backyard. So we have a beautiful brick paver patio. And your shed is right there, very conveniently located. And look at the landscaping, the hostas, the daylilies, all this beautiful perennial plants. And then there's a little separate area along the side of the patio where you can plant your annual flowers if you like. So there you have it. We've got a great double entrance into the garage. Great for bringing your patio furniture in and out. And there you have it. 632 Victoria Lane. We hope you book your showing right away. We have multiple showings already booked for tomorrow. Hope to see you here. Bye.